Okay, so it's very important that you maintain your door sort of every 3 months, just to keep the locking mechanism working as it should do, and it stops any dust and debris that might get inside it. So I'm going to take my silicone spray, or WD-40 would be a great alternative, or failing that, graphite. So spray into each hole on the working part of the mech. Be generous, give it a good helping. Then with the handle, I'm just going to go up and down and let the lubricant work its way through the mechanism. Once I've done that, I'll give it another spray. Again, just work it another 2 or 3 times, and that's that.